Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2024 in practice chapter 4 guided project 423. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me through my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. And I am handling other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, MyLab Management, Business classes and many more online classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you complete class with A+ grade. So the title of project is Excel 2024 in practice chapter 4 guided project 4 to 3 download. Click the start file link, then complete the project using instruction below. We will click on start file. File will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our PC download folder and we will open our Excel file. Okay. Step to complete this project, open the Clemson 4 start file. The workbook open in protected view. Click the enable editing button so you can modify it. Simply we will open our Excel workbook and the workbook is protected view. Then we will click on enable editing button. Okay, this is the Clemson 4 XLS. We will click on enable editing button. So now it's not protected view. So question number 2, rename a sheet in the navigation pane. Click the navigation button, view tab, show group. View tab, show group. If your version of Excel does not have a navigation button, click the worksheet tab name instead of name in the pane. This question is click the navigation button. It's also done. Click the patience and equip name in the navigation pane to move that sheet. We will go to Excel workbook in the click on patient and equip sheets. So point C, copy the patients and equip sheet and place it before the criteria sheet. We will copy the patients and equip sheets. We will copy, right click on this, click on move or copy, click on create a copy checkbox, click on OK button. So this sheet is copied, so we will place before the criteria sheet. Point B and C is also done. So point D, right click the patients and equip to name in the navigation pane and choose rename. Okay. Right click the patient and equip to sheet. Name in the navigation pane and choose rename. Name the copy ADV filter and click OK. Right click on this, click on rename button. We will rename the sheet as a ADV filter. We will assign the name of the sheet ADV filter. So point D is done. So question number 3, create and resize an Excel table. Select cell A5 on the ADV filter sheet and click the format as table button. Style, home tab, style group. We will select cell A5 and then on the ADV filter sheet and click the format as table button. Go to the home tab in the style group, click on format as table button. So choose white table style light 1. Go to the white table style light 1 is here. You can see we will apply this table style. Then we will click on confirm that the range is 5 to D25, and then my table has headers box selected. The source data is from multiple file and not rows were recognized. Click OK to create the table. Simply we will click OK to create the table. This table is created now. So point E is that scroll or zoom out to determine the last row of table. Okay, point D is done. Point E is scroll or zoom out to determine the last row of data. Okay. Scroll or determine the last row of the data. Okay. So point F, click the resize table button to display the resize table dialog box. Table design tab, properties group. Okay. Click after 26, 25 in the dialog box, change the value to 74 and click OK. Select cell A5 and click the table name. We will click on cell A5, go to the table design. Name the table. We will go to the table design tab in the properties group, click on table name box, TBL filter. We will assign the name TBL filter. So adjust the zoom size and close the navigation pane. Adjust the zoom size and close the navigation pane. Create an output range for an advanced filter. Select cell A5 to D5 and copy and paste them to cell G5. We will select this range A5 to D5. We will copy this range and paste them into cell G5. Paste into cell G5. Okay. So point B of question number 4 is that type extract range in cell G4 and set the font to 14 italic. Okay, we will select cell G5 and we will type extract range, press enter. So we will select this extract range text and then we will font to 14 point italic. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on font size arrow, select 14 font size and we will apply italics style. Okay, so point C, adjust column width for column G to J so that each label displays on a single line. We will select column G to J, go to the home tab in the cell group, click on format button, click on auto fit column width. So question number 5, create an advanced filter. Click the criteria sheet tab. Notice that the month year label display twice in row 2. We will click on criteria sheet. Type greater than 12 by 31 by 22 in cell A3 to find record after 2022. We will copy this and we will click on cell A3. In the formula bar, we will type this 12 by 31 by 12. So 22, so 12 by 31 by 22 in cell A3 that find record after 22. So point C, type less than 1 by 1 by 24 in cell B3 to create an AND filter. Cell B3 1 by 1 by 24. Okay, point D, click cell. Point C is done. Point D, click cell A5 on the advanced filter sheet and click the advanced button. Data type, sort and filter group. Go to the advanced filter sheet. We will click on advanced button. Data type, sort and filter group. Go to the data tab. In the sort and filter group, click on advanced button. So select the copy to another location, radio button. Click on advanced button. We will click on this checkbox, copy to another location, radio button. Okay. So verify that list range is cell A5 to D74. If the range is incorrect, click the drag to select the range including the header row. Click the criteria range box and select cell A2 to B3 on the criteria sheet. We will click on criteria range and we will select A2 to B3 on the criteria sheet. Go to the criteria sheet and we will select range on the criteria sheet A2 to B3. So list range is A5 to D74. Click the copy to box and select cell D5 to J5 on the advanced filter sheet. Okay, A5 to D5 on advanced filter sheet, click on OK button. You can see on my laptop screen I have done this question so well. Click OK on the advanced filter dialog box. So question number 6, sort data in the output range. Select cell G5 and click the sort button. Okay. Click the sort button. Data tab, sort and filter group. Choose image type for the first label. Go to the home tab. Sorry, data tab and sort and filter group. Go to the data tab in the home tab in the editing group. Click on sort and filter button. Click on custom sort. We will add first level is image type. First level is image type. Sort by cell value in A to Z order. Add month year. Add month year as the next level. Add month year. We will add second level is month year. Okay. Sort the cell values and oldest to newest. We will sort the cell values and oldest to newest and click OK. Auto fit column H. Select column H in the home tab in the cell group. Click on format button. Click on auto fit column with. Okay. So question number 7, apply conditional formatting and border. Select cell I6 to I26 and click the conditional formatting button. We will select this range I6 to I26. I6 to I26. So click the conditional formatting button. Go to the home tab in the style group. Click on conditional formatting button. Highlight cell rule. Cell. Okay. Choose highlight cell rule and greater than. Format. Point C, format cell that are greater than 100 with green field with dark green text. Okay, 100 green fill with dark green text. So select the extract range starting of cell G6 and apply all border. Click on OK button. Select extract range starting at G6 and apply all border. Okay, select cell G6, go to the home tab in the font group, click on border button. We will apply all borders. So we will select this complete table and apply all border. Okay, this is great. You can see I have done 75 to 80% of this project in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. And my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, management classes, business classes, math classes, calculus classes, and many more classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me. I will do for you with A+ grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and my WhatsApp number is shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me and we will deal for this complete MC Grahil SimNet course, Excel, Word, PowerPoint and Pearson course and Cengage course and other course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.